In this video, I will finally show you how to shoot the TP22. What we will need for that: first, safety glasses, because we will be actually shooting with BBs. They can ricochet back. We want to definitely use safety glasses. The TP22 speed loader full of BBs. Here I have 0.32 gram BBs inside, even though it says 28. Yes, I did it. Guilty. And of course the magazine that we will use for shooting. We will take the BBs and we will first put them into the magazine. We will pull the follower all the way back, and here is actually a cutout that will allow us to put the BBs in just like so. Make sure that they are properly stacked. We don't want any gaps. First, it helps the feeding and also allows us to, put more BBs into the magazine. Just like so. This is the perfect stacking. And then we will use gas, in this case green gas, and we will fill it from this valve right here. This valve can be removed, and you can also put it on the bottom if that's the way you prefer. You just unscrew the big screw and you replace it, switch it. All right, here we have it stock, so we will just fill it with gas. We will wait for about 5 seconds or so, and then we are ready. Now, before we put the magazine into the pistol, we will use our safety glasses. And I also have a proper target on my right side. There are no people in front of me, so everything is nice and safe. We will put the magazine in firmly. We confirm that it's seated all the way, that it's just not gonna drop out on its own. And we will rack the slide. And now we are ready to shoot. We will aim in a safe direction on a target, we pull the trigger, and the pistol will just shoot. If it doesn't shoot for you for some reason, there is a safety. If the safety is up, nothing will happen when I pull the trigger. So make sure the safety is down, and now you can fire the pistol. Now I brought my TP22, which doesn't have an F mark. That means the full auto works. So let me quickly show you. Gonna put a few BBs in there, charge it with gas. And I changed the magazine to bottom fill because that's how I prefer it. And now we can do the full auto. So we'll rack the slide. Now we will flip to full auto. That's the position up with the 3 dots. And we can shoot. There we go. Very satisfactory feeling. There you have it. That's how you shoot the TP22. It's very simple. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.